في محاضرتنا لهذا اليوم هو استخدام الضوء في الطب or light in medicine, and the objective of this lecture is the student must know the physical properties of light, the application of light in medicine, and the principle of using laser in medicine. You already from your secondary school you have an idea about the light and the speed of light, which is governed by the equation N equals C over V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum and V the speed of light in material, and N is the refractive index, and the light behaves both wave and particle, and the wave interference plus the diffraction for the particle absorbed by single molecules. This is actually some properties of the light, which is you already have an idea about it, and we must go by the other properties, and that light absorbed, its energy appears as heat, which used in medicine of IR to heat tissues, and sometimes when light photon absorb lower energy light, photon is emitted known as a fluorescence light, which is reflected from surfaces. And we already know in measurement of light, the spectrum go from UV to V to IR, where UV is governed by between 100 to 400 nanometer, and the V is between 400 to 700 nanometer, and the IR between 700 to 104. The visible light has energy from 2 to 4 electron volt, where the kinetic energy just about 0.025 electron volt. We have here, we discussed the X-ray energy used in medicine and the application of visible light in medicine. And here, the application of visible light in medicine actually will go to use for the endoscope and for the cystoscope and proctoscope and bronchoscope, and also the application of UV, the ultraviolet, and IR in medicine is go to UV light used to kill germs. UV light used to kill germs, and UV light from sun used to convert molecular product in skin. Also, there we have another applications for the UV, which is explained here in this lecture. Laser in medicine also, you already have an idea about the laser. Laser is a unique light source that emits narrow beam of light of single wavelength. It's mean monochromatic and coherent light, and all energy of laser concentrated in a small area. The power density is large. Okay, experiment with monkey eye indicate that laser of wavelength 1064 nanometer damage the retina of this monkey, and we use it as a bloodless knife for surgery. A laser in the three-dimensional imaging is go for holography, which is a three-dimension photos or pictures. So another application actually for the laser, and we must know all of this. And laser in medicine also, we have some important application in the field of magnification of object, or in the field in microscoping and fluorescence microscope, or histography and electron microscopy, and other application you must know here by this lecture. أعزائي الطلبة، في هذه المحاضرة